Okay, so today we are going to that place to stay, and that's the place that has the boat on the top and like 3 buildings.
Jazzy, she's having an amazing time at Marina Bay Sands. John, who's come to visit Singapore.
Right, so we are now going to the observation deck, and this bit is open to the public. The swimming pool and all that isn't. This is the National Football Stadium of Singapore.
We are at Marina Bay Sands and it feels like we're actually on top of the world.
There are many landmarks in Singapore, including the famous Merlion. And that's about it. But the most important one is what we're actually standing on, so you don't get to view it. Thank you, goodbye. Just about to go down to eat our... Actually, we're going up to the top, actually, to eat our meal. We normally go down to the bottom to the restaurant, but now we're going up to the top. Also, we went to a restaurant for lunch, and they wouldn't let me in, because I was wearing the slippers you get from the room, which is a bit strict, to be honest. As much as this hotel is good, it's so annoying, because it takes about... Because the boat thing is on the top, and that's where the pool and that is, and the good views are. So, to get to the top, which is where the boat is, that's 57, like floor 57. We're on floor 24, and because they can't have a lift that goes from 0 to 57, they have one that goes from 0 to 34, and then one that goes from 34 to the top. So we literally have to get 2 lifts, and when we go from 34 to 57, we have to stop normally about 6 or 7 times. It's quite irritating. So the people at the hotel gave us some fruit there. So here's the fruit. This fruit here is called a long gun, and
this is the inside.
And
this is the outside.
And it's actually quite nice. It's got like a black pip inside, and they rub that against you to heal you from snake bites. And it says well done Dominic, because it's like well done for me doing my GCSEs. It's really hot here. This is the room from outside our hotel room. Those trees make their own power, like electrical power, and in there is basically there's loads of flowers, and you can just see the National Stadium of Singapore there. So we have a control panel here, and you can click that and then somebody comes to make up the room. Very cool.
Look into my eyes and show me adventures I haven't seen. Taking all the life it is.
Quickly! Okay, beware to cut your ears.
Cover your ears or risk of death.
Risk of death.
Hopefully they won't accidentally.
They're not as loud.
I'm not covering my ears.
I can only cover one ear.
Walking on fantasy. So say it's made of, baby.
So the reason why there were so many planes going past is because it's Singapore Day, like the National Day, at the start of August. So everybody's practicing for it. They've even practiced letting off fireworks. That's how much they want to get it spot on. Also, I've been putting this insect repellent on because the last time I came here I got loads of bites and it's worked fine. Apart from I didn't put any on my hand and I've got a massive bite there. Can you see that red lump? It's probably worse in real life. And it's annoying. I mean, I normally get sunburnt, so it's quite successful how I've not get any sunburn or any bites from anything apart from that. Also, there's Asian family. There was this person in the swimming pool, and she was asking for a photo, but she wanted us to beam the photo with home, though we don't know her. Really odd. Right, so this video will be very kind of focused on today, and it will take for a majority of the video. I can see that happening. So what I'm doing, if you've not guessed by now, is I'm doing one video per every 3 days, and I've bought my GoPro, so I didn't think there would be suitable footage to use it for over the past 3 days, but yeah, I will use it in the future. So if I'm here for 15 days and I'm doing 3 days per video, that would be 5 videos. Yeah.